What's up guys, Eric, Verus Engineering, and we have a really simple install on our VB WRX today. These are going to bolt directly to those lower control arms on the front end and basically guide air into the center of the rotor. It's going to help with brake fade. It's not going to be as beneficial as, say, our full brake cooling kit that will be coming out later on. However, these guys are really inexpensive in comparison, quick to install, and easy to basically get on your car and improve some brake cooling. All right, as far as kit components, we have each side duct, and then we have 4 M8 by 1.25 that are 12mm long button head cap screws, and we have 4 flat washers. All right, so as far as tools required for the kit, we're gonna need a 5mm Allen wrench or Allen socket on a socket or a ratchet. I'm using a ratchet, I think it's a little bit easier. And we're also gonna need jack and jack stands. I'm not even lifting up the car on a lift because it's really gonna be that simple. Overall time, we're looking at probably maybe 15 minutes to do the install. The hardest part, jacking up the car. All right, so the vehicle is jacked up at this point. We have the front lower control arm, there she is, the silver part right there. And you see those 2 M8 by 1.25 holes. That's what we're gonna be bolting to. So unfortunately, I don't think I can do this on camera, so I'll do it off camera and then I'll show you the final installed part. But overall, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna torque those to about 10 to 12 foot-pounds. That's a typical M8 into aluminum torque spec. And then we'll come back with them installed real quick. And here you can see the duct installed right on the lower control arm, and it is ducting air into those little holes that Subaru put there for, I'm not sure if they're for us or not, but we're gonna use them. It's gonna throw some air into the rotor and into the center of the rotor and help cool some of the brakes. All right guys, that concludes the install of our brake cooling guides for the VB WRX. Tune in to our YouTube for other install manuals and videos on what's happening at Verus Engineering. Please feel free to comment below and reach out to us at our various channels if you need any assistance. We prefer email, sales@verus-engineering.com. Until next time.